Good afternoon. A former G4S employee and a 65-year-old man are appearing in the Bloemfontein Magistrates Court today in connection with the prison escape of fugitive and convicted murderer and rapist Thabo Bester. The 65-year-old suspect is believed to be the father of Bester's companion Nandipha Magudumana. The two suspects were arrested last week. Police spokesperson Atlenda Mate says the men were charged with aiding and abetting a convicted prisoner to escape from lawful custody. Bester escaped from prison in May last year and was captured in Tanzania at the weekend. Let's cross live to court proceedings now.
As it pleases the court.
As the court pleases, Your Worship. Your Worship, I do agree with my learned colleague. However, Your Worship, my colleague, part of our discussion was that on Monday the 17th, it would not only be a postponement in as far as the bail information is concerned, but rather also for a possible bail application. And this will just depend as to how long the court date is. And the reason we make this submission, Your Worship, is the fact that at the time these arrests were made, this was not an overnight arrest. The information should be readily available to the state, and we should be able to proceed with a bail application on the 17th. And that is our submission, Your Worship. So in essence, we agree with the date, subject to a further rider that a possible bail be heard on the day, court hours permitting, Your Worship.
Before we resume the seat,
Yes, Your Worship.
we also deal with the provisions of Section 60(11)(b).
Yes, Your Worship.
Yes.
Your Worship, it is my instruction that my client does not have any previous convictions, nor does he have any pending matters before this court, or any other court for that matter, Your Worship.
Thank you.
If the court pleases, Your Worship.
As the court is, Your Worship, I confirm that accused number 2 does not have previous conviction, nor does he have pending cases against him. I wish to further add or concur with what my colleague for accused number 1 has submitted, that there was an agreement subject to a rider that this matter be postponed for bail information and possible bail application, as the court says.
So confirmed.
Thank you. Right, gentlemen, your case is remanded until the 17th day of April 2023. Same court, court number 20, for bail information as contemplated under the provisions of Section 50, subsection 6 of the Criminal Law Code, as well as for possible bail application. Both of you will remain in custody until then.
Le vota le leng ya ya rona le ithatela mo ga o fitlela ka la di 17 tsa April le mo sena se o dimo bakeng sa go le tleletse le etsa kopo ya go tlola ka pei e tla le no le busela mo ga fika ka 17 April 2023 mizakutala le se balelo ene ga le lola ga le lo le za go so apa inkundleni yamatyala likwazi ukufaka isicelo sokuthi ngiyakhululwa ka pei.
It is further ordered, as per the application, that accused number 1 be detained at Ranford and accused number 2 at Bensfley.
Wena ntate o tla tlo mpuso wa pele o tla tswa sa kwalletswe mane Brandford ke yona teng o tla tswa sa kwalletswe teng wena mthola wesibili uza kuhlala usevalelweni kodwa uza kuvalelwa phaya eBensfley police station.
Thank you. Matter stands down.
Le qetile le kana la jewa isikhobile data ningayeka.
That's the court pleases, Your Worship. Your Worship, that is my role if I may be excused.
Excuse accept.
Before you excuse them, I would propose that we adjourn once again for 5 minutes to allow the camera people and whatever out. Otherwise, there's going to be a lot of commotions.
Yeah, everybody may not move.
A 65-year-old man and former G4S employee appearing in the Bloemfontein Magistrates Court in connection with the escape of a murderer and rapist, Thabo Bester, who has been rearrested in Tanzania. We are following that story and we'll keep you updated.